Your customer doesn't buy your content on the webinar. He buys the solution that comes through you. He buys the intention that comes with you. He buys that commitment that comes with you. He buys the transformation that comes with you. If you are on the webinar and if you feel that your customer is buying your content, you are greatly mistaken. He buys the solution that comes with you. Webinar is a medium between you and your target customers. You have to establish your authority on the webinar. You have to connect with them. You have to have an engagement with your customers. You have to build the yes momentum. You'll have to talk about the bonuses. You have to maintain that energy. You have to give them the guarantee. You have to do all these things you have to do on the webinar within 45 minutes of your interaction with your webinar. Most of the people that I interact with are the subject matter expert. They are the expert of the topic. They have all the knowledge about their subject. But let me break that myth for you. Your customer doesn't buy your product for your content. They buy for the solution that comes with you. If you want to know more about the success on the webinar, if you want to know how to take care of all these things, I have structured all these parameters on a 5-step process, and I'm going to unveil this 5-step process on a free webinar. And please click on the link below and I'll see you live. Thank you.